Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the radius of the circle, which is in which the sphere this is cut by the plane this. So, this is what? This is sphere which is cut by a plane this. So, you have to find out the radius of the circle. Okay. So, suppose that this is your sphere and it is being cut by the plane this. So 100% we will have a circular shape over here. Okay, we need to find out the radius of that part. Okay, now first we will find out the center of the sphere because we are not comfortable with this equation. So what I will do, I have problem with 2x, so I will club x square and 2x. So you know that x square will become a square and 2x will become plus 2ab. So can I write x plus 1 whole square? So if I'll write x plus 1 whole square, I have introduced 1 square extra, so I have to reduce 1 square. Okay, now y square minus 2y, so y square will become a square and minus 2y will become minus 2ab. So we will be writing y minus 1 whole square. I have added 1 square extra, so I will subtract 1. Okay, now similarly I'll focus on z. So it is a square, z square is a square and minus 4z is 2ab. So I will be writing z minus 2 whole square. I have added 4, so I have to remove 4. Okay, and then minus of yes. Now we have minus of 19 equals to 0. Okay, let's write down these things into standard form. So it is x plus 1 whole square, y minus 1 whole square, z minus 2 whole square equals to 25, which is 5 square. Comfortable? So we got center of sphere as minus 1, 1 and 2. So this is your center of sphere. Now we will find out center. Suppose that in this question only we will find out the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. Okay, look at this. For center of circle, this is not required, but I want you to solve. Okay, so for center of the circle we will find out the foot of perpendicular of the center of the sphere on the plane. So it is x minus minus 1 by a is 1, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c equals, for foot of perpendicular it is minus 1 time point satisfaction. So satisfy the point minus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7. So this is point satisfaction upon root under a square plus b square plus c square. So 1, 4, 4, which is 3. Not, we don't have root over here. Okay, in the foot of perpendicular and image we don't have root, so this is your 9. So this thing will become 12. Yes, so it is minus 12. Yes, minus 12 by 9, so it is minus 4 by 3. Okay, It is not required, but I want you to solve. So we got x as minus 1 minus 4 by 3. So it is minus 7 by 3. So this is your x coordinate. Now for y coordinate, it is 1 minus 8 by 3. So it is minus 5 by 3. Now for z, it is 2 minus 8 by 3. So it is minus 2 by 3. So you got your center of the circle. Okay. So you got center of the circle. Now we will find out the radius. So first we will find out the distance, and the radius of the sphere is already known, that is 5 square. Okay. Now we will find out the distance d. So distance d is what? Point satisfaction upon root under a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. So we will satisfy the point. So yes. So let's substitute. So we will satisfy the point on the plane. So it is minus 1, then 2, then 4, and then 7 upon root under a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. Yes. So we got things as this is 12 and this is 3. So we got 4 distance. So distance is 4. You know it is right angle, so it will become, it is right angle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So we will be having r square plus d square equals r square. So it is 25 r square 16 r square 9 r 3. Therefore the radius of the circle becomes 3. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.